Welcome to another video of Franco's science experiments. I haven't seen you in a long while, but here I am again. So today we are going to be learning about a new life hack that I've just learned about. So what is a life hack? It's something that makes your life easier. So today we're gonna be learning about a life hack that is to make removing the egg yolk off of an egg white a lot easier. So we just need a water bottle, well, an empty bottle that you can press, and an egg, of course. So we're gonna press the water bottle or the bottle, which removes the air out of the water bottle or the bottle. Keep forgetting. So then you put it on top of the egg yolk really, really gently so it doesn't break. And then you press it in and you turn it around and boom! You have yourself an egg yolk in a bottle. So to get it out, you easily need to flip it like this and then press. So here's the science about this. So when I remove the air out of this and I let go of it or press it, press it in an opposite way that it was pressed before, it's gonna suck in air. And if it's on the egg yolk, it's not gonna be able to suck in any air, but it is gonna be able to suck in the egg yolk. So it's gonna suck it in, and boom, you remove the egg yolk from the egg white. Bye. This was the whole video. Okay? Sorry if I said something wrong there, but bye.